Look, I think it's very important to ask, are you okay to people, for a number of reasons, but primarily life is so busy at the moment. There's a lot of expectations on everyone, at home, at work, an overlay of COVID and all of the restrictions and that places upon us and the complications. I think we shouldn't take for granted that people are okay. I think during this latest lockdown in New South Wales, we responded as a management team by just doing some really simple things, really basic things. As a management team, we all undertook to call 2 people a day. And really just take the time to check in, ask them are they okay, and then ask them in return that they do the same and cascade that down amongst the teams. I think that was one very simple initiative which just spread that workload throughout the whole team. People feel that okay, we they are a core part of the team, and we are aware of their welfare and mental health and all that kind of stuff. And I think just giving them that message, I think, has been well received. The recurring response, it's interesting. Usually, it's I'm fine, I'm good, right? That's typically the standard response that we all give, it's interesting that it's a theme of Are You OK Day this year. It's getting to that next level of having that conversation and not just accepting that first response. As you've ticked your box, you've asked the question, you can move on. I think it's you gotta go there and have a conversation with someone about their particular circumstances, and that inevitably will draw out some issues or frustrations or stresses that they have going on, and then you can really kind of get a true understanding of are they genuinely okay. And we can't fix everyone's problems, but I think just being able to acknowledge them, being able to identify with them and swap stories, and just give the sense of comfort that all of us are going through some version of those same set of problems. The tips I would have for people to support their own mental health are, I think, do the simple things. It's sleep, it's nutrition, it's hydration, it's good relationships, and then you add in organizational skills, and I think sticking to a routine is important. I think there's no silver bullet here. I think it's just a lot of simple things, and that we all know they're well published. It's just having the self-discipline to do them. I think just check in. Everybody, we owe to each other as teammates just to call around, just check in informally, have a chat.